Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over what I've found to be the most persistent problem with Electrolux dryers. That's going to be your E64 error code, which is going to be your heaters grounding out. So if you look over here, this is your heating element inside your dryer, and what happens is these coils in here touch either this metal here themselves or the outer shell, and it's grounding it out, giving you that 64 error code. Now the only way that you're going to be able to replace it or fix that error code is replacing your heating element assembly itself. You can't just swap these pieces out and call it good. You gotta do the whole thing. And like I said, if you see that you've had an E64 error code, or if you've heard someone that has one with their Electrolux, it's going to be the heating element. That's what I got.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.